So today we're going to look at the Android architecture component. By the way, before I forget as well, when asking questions, please use Virtual P201, not just direct messaging me or Kevin, because if we use Virtual 201, we can kind of actually manage the workload among us. Also remember, we do keep office business hours somewhat, so weekend, yeah, asking questions is possible, but you won't really get much help over the weekend. We do have other things in our life than just teaching. So please use that the system as intended, and you can tag us in Virtual 201 with the unit so that we get the notification. Then we have the question of architecture components. So what is this all about? Well, first I'm going to talk about the architecture components. We'll talk a little bit about things like view binding and data binding. And we're talking about life cycles, live data, and view model. Those are particularly architectural patterns that Android provides to make the developer's life a little bit easier. It's not mandatory, but it can make it really better. And there's the adapter pattern that this time I will actually give before I'm going to go into recycler view that heavily depends upon that pattern.